You dream of having deep connections with people. Maybe that's love with a romantic partner, better communication and connection with your kids, a really vibrant group of incredible friends. You dream of being wealthy and taking trips and feeling free and joyful and secure with money. You dream of incredible fitness and vitality with a beautiful, clean, healthy, and gorgeous body. You dream of these things, but why aren't they happening? Maybe you've tried many ways to create a life like this and specifically to manifest this, but this dream life keeps evading you. Instead, you feel stressed, lonely, you have all these bills stacking up, or you constantly have health issues. Problem number 1. You are unconsciously manifesting or unconsciously creating things that you don't want. All of us go through life with subconscious programming from our childhoods. If you don't take the time to find out what beliefs you have, beliefs that are tripping you up and blocking this joy, this wealth, this love, this creativity, success, or health that you desire, those beliefs will just keep chugging away under the surface subconsciously, and they will continue to block this dream life of yours from being realized. Take a moment right now, look back in your mind at your past 12 months. What occurred in those 12 months? What were your accomplishments? What challenges did you face? Whatever occurred in your life is what you subconsciously brought in with your beliefs. So what are you supposed to do with this subconscious programming, also known as unconscious manifesting? Well, here's what I do, and it sure works for me. Take one area of your life to start, whether that's relationships or money or health or the level of joy and fulfillment you're actually feeling in your life, and make the commitment today to start watching what comments you're saying in your head about that area of your life. Take a listen to what you think about as you're lying in bed at night. What comments are you saying to your friends when you're just hanging out together about this subject? What do you say to your therapist? What do you say to your partner? Are you saying, "Oh, I hate dating. There's no great guys out there. They're all scumbags. What's wrong with me? How come no one loves me? Who does that biatch think she is? Strutting around with those false eyelashes and thinking she's so hot?" Or are you thinking, "God, I never have enough money. Never. And I never have. Look at that jerk driving a Porsche SUV. Who's he think he is?" Or are you thinking, with every year that goes by, I'm looking crappier. Let's face it. This is called aging. Or this weight is absolutely impossible to get off me. It doesn't matter what I do. These extra pounds will not leave my body. Well, everyone is overweight in my family, so of course I am. It's in my genes. Here we go again. Another health issue. When you turn 45, it's just downhill from here. Catch yourself. Catch yourself. These are beliefs that are running in your head and subconsciously running your life. These are what I call negative mind loops. They are getting in the way of your ideal, beloved life. Now, I don't have to tell you, the sad truth is you only have one life here in this personality of who you are right now. So are you really going to waste it by not taking the time to observe your thought processes, your subconscious programming, and then do something about it? If you really, truly desire something different in your life, to create a dream life, take this time to observe the thoughts and beliefs and comments going on in your head and to your friends in one area of your life. Detect these thoughts, these beliefs. Write them down. Every thought that you can find about that subject area for 1 week. Then you start deprogramming and rewiring these beliefs that you have. Many of them are not true, but you don't know it till you look at them. This is called de-looping the mind loops. So which area of your life are you going to start with? that you have the strongest desire to improve? Write that area in the comments. Let us know, because when you write it, you are declaring it, that you are ready to take this first step to create a life that you really, really love. Please do like this video and share it so that someone that you care about can start creating their dream life as well. And subscribe so you'll know when the second video of this series comes out. And know that I am rooting for you and wishing you a truly fabulous beginning to this new year. Thanks for watching.